This is how to find out the channels you subscribe to on YouTube and unsubscribe if possible or turn off the notification. The first step you need to take is to update your YouTube app. So if it's not updated, please get to App Store or Play Store and update it. After that, tap on the app for it to open. As the app opens, the next step is to tap on the human icon, which is at the bottom right in this case, which you can call your profile too. On tapping on profile, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. The next step is to tap on the settings, which is at the top right. On tapping on settings, select notifications. So I will tap on that. On tapping on notifications, you will see list of options. Tap on channel settings. On tapping on channel settings, you will see a lot of channels you have subscribed to. So, if maybe you don't want to subscribe to any of them again, you can unsubscribe from here. So let's say I don't want to subscribe to Drama Box again. Beside the notification icon, I will tap on the drop down, okay? On tapping on the drop down, you will see unsubscribe. You will see no notification and other options. If you don't want to be getting notifications from them again, tap on the none option. All right. So once you tap on the none option, you will stop getting notifications from them. If you tap on the drop down again, you will see some options again. Let's say I want to unsubscribe. In this case, I will tap on unsubscribe. Okay, so from here, I'm no longer subscribed to this channel. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section.